Alright, we're out here about to go towards the river today. Gonna see if we can catch us some of them damn fishes. What you got opinion on that, Drew?
We might want to point the camera at me first off. We're gonna go catch some old shoal bass down the Flint River today. See what we can do. See if we can't shoot some guard too, but it's been raining a lot, so the river might get a little muddy, but hopefully we'll still get some guard, some shoal bass, and bring back some dinner. That's the goal.
Yeet. Damn. Well, we see some of them damn old gar. I'm telling you. Me and Drew, we've been on point. It's gonna get got. It is going to. Ain't that right?
Hell yeah.
That's right.
Hell yeah.
That's right.
Alright, we made it out here to the river. About to go see what we can catch and shoot and kill. So, ride along with us and let's see what we can do. We've had an awful day trying to catch fish. We literally ain't caught a single one. So,
we're going swimming.
We're going swimming. Hell yeah. Feels good.
Dude. Oh, damn. Come on, let's go up underwater one time. You want to? Hold this boat.
I got it.
I'm glad this damn thing's waterproof.
What you talking about?
Dude, look at that. We have abused that thing. Oh, God.
That's why I love the river. When it gets hot, you just hop in.
Damn right.
You ready? Come on. God almighty. Sit down, boy. Shoot. Rock the boat a little bit there, boys.
Old fat boy. Old fat boy trying to get in the boat, right?
There you go.
We in now, though. We going on back up the river ways.
You gonna catch us some fish now, boys?
Try to. Hopefully we can shoot us a gar too today. That'd be good. Even though we ain't seen but like one. Everywhere we've been a bust. But stay tuned. We gonna damn see what we can keep on keeping on doing. Damn, that was a good cast. Stay tuned.
That was the last one. Oh shit, we're going backwards.
Nope.
Oh, we got one more? Alright, y'all. After what, 2 hours? I just got the first bass on the
Beetle spin.
Sorry. On the beetle spin. He's just about 14 inches. So that's a keeper here out of the Flint River. About time we got one struck. Good brim. Dusty finally got a fish.
What the hell's wrong with it?
I don't know, but put it in the cooler. It's just beat up a little bit. Woo! Let me wipe this camera off real quick. If that made it worse or not. It's only the fourth fish that we've even caught today. 2 brim, 1 little bass, and then the 14-inch bass. We've lost like 6 or 7 beetle spins a day, and we ain't even fishing with beetle spins anymore. Dusty has on a rooster tail. Dusty has on a rooster tail, and I got on a rattle trap now.
Go back up there.
Oh, dude, we done got caught in this current. We ain't getting back out. Let you know if we catch anything else. Well, we've about completed a day on the river. We've only caught 4 fish, 2 brim, 2 bass. Only 2 fish made it in the cooler, so I guess it'll make it a little meal for me. we still had fun. The river's really high, really muddy from all the rain we've got the last month. Didn't really see. We saw some gar pop on top of the water, but we never saw any gar. And I don't know what's wrong with the fish, because I mean, normally you can come up here and wear them out. But I guess it was an off day. It's Sunday today, so back to work in the morning. Next Saturday we'll try it again. Dusty's up here with a little sunburn. What you got to say about today, Dusty?
Oh, it's been one of them days.
It's been one of them days. Better than work, ain't it?
Oh, hell.
What do they say? Bad days fishing?
Better than a good day at work.
Hell yeah. All day, every day. But we're going to wrap it up, go to the house, get a little bite to eat. We'll see y'all on the flip side.